everybody, it's Emma, and today we are about to make it summer using apple barrel, Mod Podge, and other supplies that you can find at Walmart. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways to upcycle a plastic bottle. We're going to be making this really cute plastic bottle mobile, some super cute gnome planters, and last but not least, a cute little birdhouse. Today we're going to be making this garden mobile using recycled water bottles. To follow along, you're going to need a water bottle, some twine, 1 wood round, and apple barrel multi-surface paint. Today, we're going to be using 4 colors from a kit that you can find on walmart.com. It's called Promo MPO 22 and an assortment of flat paintbrushes. In our next project, we're going to be making these adorable gnome planters. To follow along, you're going to want to have a sparkling water bottle, some decorative party napkins, a variety of flat brushes, a Mod Podge brush, and with this project, we're going to be continuing to use that Promo MPO 22 kit, which comes with this 2-ounce bottle of Mod Podge Outdoor, and last but not least, some large wood beads. Here's a tip for you guys at home. Whenever you're using a napkin with Mod Podge, you always want to make sure that you remove the extra plies until you're only left with that 1 decorative layer. I'll show you what I mean. Lastly, we're going to make this super cute birdhouse using a recycled 2-liter bottle. To follow along, you're going to want to have a 2-liter bottle of soda, some twine, some Mod Podge Outdoor, and then again, your favorite colors of apple barrel multi-surface.
For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.